Hi friends, welcome to my new tutorial. Today we are going to create a card design in Photoshop. At first, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Let's start. Today we want to design a card design like this. At first, let's create a new document. Come on to new and create new documents with these properties. Okay, let's create it. This is our card design with centimeters, and we want to design a card in this size. Okay, at first we want to get a rectangle in half a page, okay, like this, and its border should be none and fill color should be black, okay, like this. After we want to write our title here like card design, okay, like this. When we want to read card color like this, okay, card design, okay, I want to write my card design like this. After that we made a line. Okay, and also border color should be red and fills color also should be red, and after that we want to change line size like this. Yes, okay. After that we want to write this is my card designing project like this. I press Alt button and drag and drop this color to take a duplicate. After that I want to write here this is my card's design, okay. Changes size like this, okay. My card design, my card design, so I'm sorry, okay, like this. After that we want to create this descriptions part, okay. Take a line, a ruler line, okay, like this, and after that take another one like this and like this, okay. After that we want to create a shape, okay, like this. Okay, and its border color should be 0 or none, and its fill color should be red like this. Okay, and we want to write descriptions part. This is okay, and let's write here descriptions part, okay. description part. Okay, like this. This is descriptions part, and this is our description. I'm taking descriptions from my another designed card. You can write your business descriptions here. And after that, I want to draw a line here, like this. This is a line, and its fill color or border color should be black. Okay. And I want to change its size, like this. Yes. Okay. And I want to be 3, 1. Okay. Like this. Select these 3 with shift, press shift and right click to select all the 3, and after that press alt button with right click and take a duplicate. After that press shift and okay, like this. This is our descriptions part. If you want to create or draw your lines like this, you can easily change it. For example, this is our line, Control T, and changes. Okay, change its anchor point with alt button here. Okay, and rotate it like this. And you rotated it, delete this one and duplicate it like this, and after that flip vertical like this. Okay, you can create this or this to do. Now we want to draw lines like this. Okay, after that we need to bring our contacts social buttons like this. You can bring your social buttons from Google. I want to search here for social media buttons red PNG. Okay, you can find it easy here with images. Every design you want or you need, you can use. I use this design. Also, you can use every design of these designs. Okay, this is our design and I want to use it in my project. Okay, this is my design. Okay. After that, draw a shape here for and change its color to red, and after that alt right click, you can duplicate it again like this. Okay, after that with Control T and change size and write here contacts. Okay, these are our contacts. Okay, you can write here your contacts, and after that these are your social media contacts. Okay, after that we want to use our social media names. I want to select these from here. You can write easy them. Okay, you can use easy them or you can write them here. like this. And this is our Facebook, this is our Google Plus, Twitter. Okay, your location here and LinkedIn here. This is our social media contacts. Okay, and after that we can use a logo here or our, for example, I want to write here your, okay, I want to take, okay, for example this, and here write your logo, okay, with a black color like this. Okay, you can bring your logo here with large size or small size, that's your choice. After that I want to duplicate these and write here our designing tutorials group. Okay, you can use your, okay, your groups or your team name or your business name here like this. After that you can use or you can use your business chart description or your business chart services descriptions here, like right here our services. Okay, like this, our services. Here you can write graphic design tutorials. And there you can write web development tutorials. Okay, like this. You can use your services or write your services here with red color. Also, this should be with red color, and you can use graphic design logo. You can use your graphic design logo red color. Okay, for example, I want to use a logo, every logo you want. I want to graphic design, search for any logo or your logo. For example, this is a good okay, you can use it. Okay, and after that web development. Okay, you can use everything you want. For example, I want to use this. Okay, save it, and okay, let's open both of them like this. Oh, there's Paint file. You can edit it with MS Paint, save as, and with PNG format, replace with that and open this one. Okay, Now bring it here, or if you want, if you don't want to use this with this color, you can select with okay, just select okay and bring it here with wave development like this. You can use other logos for this, and for graphic I want to use it. Okay, like this. Use it for graphic. Tools, and you can control it. Okay. Dear friends, this was my card design. You can design card like this, or you can subscribe our channel for more videos, and you can find more videos in our channel with new card designs, with other card designs, spinner designs, or brochure designs. We want to design other cards with CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and with some other designing programs. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope see you next time in other tutorials. Okay, bye bye for now.